Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit website links and menu on SiteGround. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase the plan of web hosting. And if you want to buy to premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So after creating your account, just simply log in SiteGround and you can edit the existing menu from the same dashboard section in which you created them, appearance menu. If you have created multiple menu, select the menu you wish to edit from the drop down list. Select a menu to edit and press select. So just tap on it. So after selecting the menu, and the menu items load under the section menu structure, you can add new items or rearrange, delete, rename and modify the existing items. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos. Thank you.